Everyone. Today is the next day of the two classes we have done before. So this is the third class. So today we will be studying uh, type of for the database. There is a type of function also like class function for knowing the data type. So what is the difference between type of and class function? I will tell you. And there is a paste function and there is a Sqrt function. So and little bit basics of R. So let me open, like we have worked on console only. So today we will be working on RStudio. RStudio. So this is a RStudio. Mm, Basically, this is a console and this is a workspace where you write the code. If you want to develop some software, develop some web crawling, something like lot of, it's like an editor. You can write lot of codes, and you can select the line of how many lines of code you want to run. You can select and you can run those lines of code, or if you want to select all line of code, you can just click on run button. uh, like uh, like when x is equal to 5, if I click this and click enter, nothing will happen. But if I goes on the top and by clicking command and return, it will assign x as 5. So this is how it works. So now we want to know uh, type type of function. It's same like class function to understand the variable data type. So it's a double data type. So by default, all uh, numbers numeric is double in data data type. Like if you want to declare x as integer 6, then you have to use L and this. Now when you use now x has a value 6. You can see down it is giving the values, and this is a global environment which shows the integers, which shows the variable values. Now when we know type of uh, x, it should show the integer value, integer. So now you know that there is a double integer plus character, uh, and character function, character, integer, numeric, and all these data types. So you know a lot of data types now. So now we will be moving to uh, paste. First I want to show something like x is equal to 5, uh, y is equal to 6, z is equal to this, z is equal to x plus y, and I want to know the value of z. So I select this and I run. So it is showing z as 11. So let's see what is the type of z. I think it will be a double. Yeah, double. So by default it is a double data type. And now you can see, if let's assume, let's do one thing. X as 5L, which is a integer, y is equal to 5, and z is equal to x divided by y, x divided by y. So basically it's an integer, x is an integer, y is a double. So when you divide x by y, I think it should give a double value. now let's see. Is z, say z is equal to 1, type of z double, yeah. So there is a square root function also, square root of 4 is 2. Okay. Oh, sorry. Yeah, now if we would have put that into a variable, and we have seen the value of uh, p, then it would be, I think, double. Yeah, by default it is double. I don't know. So there is a square root function, and piece is basically like a concatenate. Like in a lot of coding languages, concatenate is same as piece function. So first, if we if let's assume x is equal to hello, character type is always into uh, this these things, hello world. So uh, z is equal to, we can do x plus y. I think it should work. No, no. So it is not like this. So I think z is equal to paste, like a concatenate paste function, x. If you want to add, then z, yeah, hello world. If you want to add two characters, so you have to use a paste function. So as of now, for today, this much only. So I will be coming tomorrow. So I will be teaching uh, loops in R programming. So that's for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.